Why does your scanner show the P0802 engine code? What does it mean? P0802 is a diagnostic trouble code for Transmission Control System MIL Request Circuit or OPEN. This engine code indicates that this code points to a problem with the circuit that requests the light to illuminate, not necessarily a fault within the transmission itself, but rather with the warning lights circuit or the lamp itself. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty malfunction indicator, lamp, MIL. Damaged or corroded wiring or connectors. Failed or malfunctioning, TCM. Faulty transmission range sensor. Electrical system problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture, since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet Silverado, Kia Rio, and other models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.